I joined TEKsystems because coming out of college, I think I needed that great mentorship and support, also a great training program, which I've definitely received at TEKsystems. I went to Baltimore. I got to go to the corporate office and get that hands-on experience with different mentors and coaches.
My sales internship at TEKsystems has been invaluable so far. Learning from a book in school or doing role plays is one thing, but being in person and talking to real clients and going and shadowing meetings has truly been invaluable. And just learning how real account managers and salespeople do what they do on a daily basis has been great so far. I've learned so much here, and I'm really looking forward to coming back for a full-time sales career.